Unlock a powerful new revenue stream by seamlessly blending your digital product sales with your thriving newsletter audience. First, let's ensure your digital products are ready for prime time on Gumroad. Log into your Gumroad account and navigate to your dashboard from there. Click on Products and then New Product. To set up your offerings, think about what valuable digital assets you have: ebooks, templates, online courses, or even exclusive content. Upload your files. Set your pricing, and write a compelling description that highlights the benefits for your customers once your product is live and looking fantastic. It's time to connect it to your engaged audience on Beehiiv. Now, head over to your Beehiiv account. Look for the Settings or Integrations section within your dashboard. This is where the magic of connection happens. You'll typically find an option to integrate with Gumroad. Click on that integration, and you'll likely be prompted to log in or authorize your Gumroad account. This secure connection allows Beehiiv to recognize your Gumroad store and your products. With Gumroad integrated, you can now strategically promote your digital products directly within your Beehiiv newsletters when you're crafting your next email campaign to your subscribers. Simply create a call to action button or a link that directs them to your Gumroad product page. You can highlight new releases, offer exclusive discounts to your subscribers, or even mention them as valuable resources related to your newsletter's content. This creates a direct and frictionless path for your loyal readers to become customers. By using Gumroad and Beehiiv together, you're not just selling products. You're nurturing your creator business. Your subscribers get easy access to your valuable digital goods, and you benefit from a streamlined sales process and a more engaged audience. This powerful combination is a game changer for any creator looking to maximize their reach and revenue in the creator economy. So go ahead, integrate, and start selling smarter today.